Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to design a sweet shop website with WordPress and Elementor. So, if you wanted to learn how to design or create a sweet shop website without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share step-by-step process that you can follow and implement on your design project, and you can make a neat and clean professional eye-catching website like this one. So you can see that I have already designed this website with WordPress and Elementor. To make this website like so clean and professional, I don't have to use any paid or premium theme or plugin. I make this website totally using totally free resource and tools, and I believe if you complete this full tutorials, you can make this website like this one. Okay, so first of all, we are going to take a look of this website very deeply, and I'm going to share everything one by one. At the top, we have make a top section or announcement bar, and here we have added two elements. One is for email and another is for address. Then we designed the header section. In the header section, we simply add three elements. One is logo in the left side, in the middle the menu bar, and in the right side the order button. And then we added a nice banner with big title. Also there have a subtitle. You can see that Rinta's Sweet Shop, specializing in mini dessert, custom cakes, dessert table and more for all occasion. Then we are going to scroll down. Looks here. We have added three main category of this shop. This is very important to display the main category product or item in here. Then we have marked one with exclusive mini dessert. This is exclusive item. Then custom cake and customizable dessert. Okay, then we have added the product so that customer can easily make order or confirm the order from here. Looks here, we have added the product in here, and if you looks very carefully, the product box looks very nice in hover also. For example, if I hover, then we can see the love icon, preview icon, quick view and add to cart, also compare icon. Okay, then scroll down, and after that we have added a review or testimonial slide section. This is not just a normal testimonial section, it's totally slide, and you can see that the looks. Then we have added this section, the special part of this business or flexibility. For example, anyone can order online, secure payment, fast delivery and live support. And finally we have added the footer. In the footer we have added shop address, social icon, logo and contact information, and finally the copyright section. Okay, so now the most important question, what is the first step to make a website like this one? Okay, now we are going to the back end so that we can learn everything how we can make this website very easily. I will share everything very easy way so that you can learn everything. Okay, so going to my dashboard, first of all we have to think about the theme. So let me show you which theme I have added in this project. So click on the appearance, and under the appearance you can see that I have used Hello theme, Hello Elementor. This theme it's 100% free theme. Then we check out the plugins because we have to make the environment ready before start designing our website. In the plugin section you can see that I have installed Elementor free plugin, Element Kit Lite plugin. This one I use for header, footer, wilder, regenerate thumbnail. Then shop engine is mostly used for Ecommerce template builder for Elementor. It provides a lot of eye-catching element to make our website more professional and eye-catching using this plugin. Then update plug, backup and restore plugin. This is very important plugin to make our website secure and safe. Then we call for price, this one for custom order and hide the product price. Okay, then we have added WooCommerce as we wanted to sell the product from this website. And finally we added the WP from light for contact and communication. Okay, so we have already learned about the themes and plugin. Then we have to start building our website from the pages. So go to the pages. First I have created the pages, all of the pages that is required for this website or business. And you can see that here is the available cake flavor, cart, checkout, contact, custom order, home page, my account, privacy policy, refund and return policy, shop. So we have added total 9 per page in this website. Then we have created the menu. This is the process that I follow to make a professional website. I recommend also follow this system or step to make your environment ready to build your website or make professional website. Okay, so we have already know about the theme, plugins and pages. Now we have to go to the menus. In the menus you can see that we have added main menu in the header section and another menu in the footer section. Looks here. Okay, so you can see the menu in here. Main menu, shop, custom cake, mini dessert, available cake for flavor, contact, and another menu is footer menu. Click on select footer. Okay, looks here. So we have done creating menu. I believe you know how to create the menu in WordPress. Then our process is to active the element kit plugin, then start building header and footer. To build header and footer you have to click on the header footer under the element kit, and I have already created the header. Now going to show you how we make this design. So click on the edit with Elementor. And you can see that in the header, in the first I have added section for header top section, then added another section. Let me open the navigation. Looks here. First I add a new container. Under this container I have added icon and text, and then another section for header. In the header I have added logo, column with 20 pixel or 20%, and this one with 20%, and this one 60%. And we easily make this header menu just selecting this menu and add the style, implement the style from here. Okay, go back. Then here is the footer section. Going to open the footer section. We have added a big section for footer and take a single row and single column, and under this row and column we have added the main logo, social icons, then text editor and icon with text, and finally at the bottom we have added the footer copyright section, and we make this section with divided with 2 parts. In the left side we have added copyright, and in the right side we have added the menu. If I click on here you can see that footer menu, we have selected the footer menu. Okay, now go back. And here is the home page, and we are going to explain everything from here. I'm going to click on the edit with Elementor. And first we take a, let me click on here. First we take a section and add a background image in this section, looks here, and we also added the, and then also we will make the minimum height 600 pixel of this main banner and make all the content in Justify. Then we added H1 heading 1 and add the background, add the font color white, and in the typography we use Ausland font and font size 120 pixel and it make it semi bold. Okay, then we added the sub heading, we use the same color and font family Roboto, font size 24 pixel. Okay, then we added another section under the banner, and here we will take 3 column and we added the icon box in here. In the icon box we added image and product categories, also it's clickable, and then we add shop section. We simply add a main heading title and subtitle or paragraph. Then we added the review, and here we have added the product list from the shop. Okay, and then we added the product review. Just copy this section and update the text in here after reflex. Then simply add testimonial. In testimonial we use this ready template and set up everything as our requirement, like enable rating, show quote icon base, acceptor, and show slide to show 3, slide to scroll 1. And then we added this highlight area, all as near to you, and add 4 icon in here with text, and finally add the footer. So I hope you understand how we have designed this website using the free element, and I think but now the big question, how we can make it same as and how we can learn it. If you are interested to learn about this design, how I make this nice minimal eye-catching website with free WordPress plugin and theme, then comment on the below of this video that I am interested. Then I will share the full process. Actually I will start building the new website and make it same as this one, just show you how we can make it from sketch. So I hope you understand, and I'm going to end this tutorials in here right now, because to make a in details video or tutorials it will take 1 hour or 2 hours plus, and if you have interest then I will invest my time to show you how you can design this website with free Elementor and Elementor theme and plugin. So I hope you understand everything, what is the purpose of these tutorials and what I have shared here. Here I just share which plugin I use, which theme I use, how I make this website, the step-by-step process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant website design, especially e-commerce website design in any platform, not only WordPress, also Shopify or other platform, and if you need any service relevant SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.